Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a classic that has been loved for generations, Colman's fresh garden mint sauce. If you're a fan of lamb dishes, then you're in for a treat. This mint sauce is often considered the best companion for lamb, even surpassing well-known brands like Cross and Blackwell. Colman's mint sauce comes all the way from the UK and is a must-have for anyone who enjoys the perfect balance of fresh, tangy flavor to complement their meals. Colman's has been a trusted name in British kitchens for decades, known for creating high-quality products that enhance everyday cooking. This mint sauce is no different, packed with the refreshing taste of garden-fresh mint. Its rich green color immediately signals the freshness within the bottle, with just the right amount of sweetness and acidity to bring out the natural flavors of lamb. What makes Colman's fresh garden mint sauce stand out is its authenticity. Unlike many other sauces on the market, Colman's uses a blend of fresh mint, vinegar, and sugar to create a truly balanced flavor profile. It's not overly sweet, nor is it too sharp. It's the kind of sauce that leaves your taste buds craving more. The mint is robust but not overpowering, making it ideal for pairing with grilled, roasted, or even barbecued lamb. This sauce can also be used in various other dishes such as roasted vegetables, grilled meats, and even sandwiches, giving you a versatile addition to your pantry. The texture of Colman's mint sauce is smooth with a slight thickness that makes it easy to spread or pour, but it's not too runny like some other mint sauces you might find. It's the perfect consistency for those who like their mint sauce to stick to the lamb, rather than run off and leave a mess. Not only does this sauce shine in terms of flavor, but it also brings with it a touch of British heritage. The classic design of the glass bottle with the Colman's branding immediately gives off a feeling of tradition and trust. Whether you're hosting a family dinner or preparing a quiet meal for yourself, Colman's fresh garden mint sauce adds that authentic British touch. For those who want to take their lamb dishes to the next level, Colman's mint sauce is a simple yet effective way to enhance the overall dining experience. It's been imported directly from the UK, ensuring that you get the real deal, no shortcuts or compromises on quality. It's the kind of product you keep coming back to, knowing that each meal will taste just as good as the last. If you're looking for the perfect addition to your lamb meals, Colman's fresh garden mint sauce is definitely worth trying. It's simple, it's flavorful, and it's authentic. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on all things food and cooking.